So guys, I recently exported a video from my CapCut desktop, and specifically on WhatsApp, it applies to other platforms also. I was unable to send the video on my phone to my client. On my PC, I was able to send the video, but my client was unable to review or download the video. So I had to resort to using Google Links and everything. But there's a fix for this, and it's just one simple setting. I tried everything. I restarted my PC, I uploaded my CapCut, I changed the exporting formats, nothing worked. And that's actually the reason I'm making this video for people like myself that are probably experiencing this or they've experienced it in the past, what they need to do just to avoid this issue. So I'm currently in CapCut interface, and first things first, just come straight to settings up here. As you can see, come straight to settings. And while you're in settings, come to performance. And this is the issue here. As you can see, speed up hardware encoding. You need to make sure this is turned off. Yes, this has to be turned off. If you have it on, you might probably have that issue. If you're experiencing that issue, just turn this off. I used to have it on previously before I had the issue with my laptop, but now until my laptop driver is fixed, it has to be turned off. If not, I'll be unable to actually share my videos to my clients through WhatsApp and other platforms. So now, why exactly is this a problem? Simple, because I had to use AI to actually figure this out. ChatGPT, what exactly is going on? And you can see, when you export a video in CapCut, your computer needs to process and compress the video into a final file. MOV or MP4, which is like a format. Like I said, I tried changing different formats. So it's called encoding. So normally your CPU, your main processor, does this job. Everyone knows what CPU is. But when you turn on speed up hardware encoding, CapCut tries to use your GPU, which is a graphics card on your laptop. Instead, basically it's usually faster at video tasks. So why it caused your WhatsApp sharing issue? When you turn on speed up hardware encoding, CapCut uses your graphics card driver to export the video. If your GPU driver is slightly outdated, incompatible, or buggy, minus buggy, CapCut may export the video with minor encoding errors, invisible to the eyes, but enough for apps like WhatsApp to reject it. So that's why the video plays fine on your PC. Like I said, the video was playing fine on my PC, actually. I could even send the video on PC, but by the time the video gets to my client, they were unable to download it. And this was most people were like, dude, we cannot get this video to send it to us. So, but fails to send or preview on WhatsApp, or shows can't share this video. Yes, on my phone, I was unable to send to my client. Even the videos I sent to myself, I was still unable to access it through my phone. So once you've turned on hardware encoding, CapCut use your CPU instead, producing a fully compatible export that WhatsApp accepts perfectly. So that's actually the reason why you need to turn off hardware encoding, because there's probably something wrong with your driver. So in short, speed up hardware encoding, GPU makes exporting faster. WhatsApp rejection equals, the reason is because there's a compatibility issue. And yeah, solution, just turn it off, re-export, and everything works. So this is basically the reason why we had this issue when it comes to exporting or sharing videos. So just make sure you have this turned off. Speed up hardware encoding. Once it's turned off, you're good. Then maybe by the time you finally fix your driver or whatever, you can have it turned on back. And yeah. So by the time I'm done with my updates and everything on my PC, I can have it turned back on. But for now, it has to be turned off because it's not serving me at the moment.